With all that's been happening to Amber Heard since the very beginning of this case, you'd expect that things couldn't get any worse for her. But boy, do I have news for you. And the news was revealed by a professional lawyer via national TV. From what he said, Amber may pretty much be at the lowest point possible. So, exactly what did the professional say and how could it affect Amber's life? Okay, we all know that Amber is basically the talk of the town at the moment, and while some of that attention is mainly focused on her loss to Depp as a whole, a lot of people have also piqued an interest in the settlement that was awarded to Johnny Depp. According to the jurors who oversaw the case, Amber actually did defame Johnny, and with that, she was also found guilty of malicious intent towards Johnny, which led to them awarding him the $15 million damage settlement. But the thing about that verdict is that Amber actually doesn't even have that much. In fact, after subtracting her net worth from the entire amount, she still has a whopping $8.3 million to pay. Now, according to her team, the plan is to appeal the judgment that was given and probably claim bankruptcy because she obviously cannot afford to pay him that much. And on that note, several professionals in that aspect of law with experience have come out to say a few words on the subject. This was the case with a viral video that made it to Twitter from an interview, and according to the professional in the video, there is actually no possible way for Amber to avoid payment, as even if she wants to appeal, she's still required by law to pay that amount as a bond. He said,
"Matter. You made an allusion to bankruptcy. I'm wondering, is this dischargeable, as they would say in bankruptcy court, and how difficult is it to collect a judgment like this, especially with somebody that may not have the funds to pay it?"
Well, the short answer is it is non-dischargeable in bankruptcy because the jury made a finding of malice. In the federal bankruptcy code, there is an express provision that accepts judgments based upon a finding of malice from dischargeability. So Amber Heard is stuck with this. And one other fact that a lot of people don't know, in many jurisdictions, Virginia is one of them, in order to appeal that verdict and that judgment, she has to post a bond. And typically the bond is the total amount of the judgment plus attorney's fees. There is no way on God's green earth that Amber Heard, short of taking a loan out from the ACLU or from, Mr. Musk himself, that she is going to be able to post that bond. And without a bond, this verdict stands.
From what the expert had to say on the case, it seems Amber and her people just might have been backed to a corner, and that also got a lot of people talking on social media, like this user who wrote, "They obviously forgot about the artwork, first edition books, and really expensive furniture she stole from Johnny Depp. It cost a small fortune to decorate Penthouse 3. Then there is her designer shoe and clothes collection." Another user came with a completely different point of view, saying this could explain Elaine's press tour right now. They know she doesn't have the funds to appeal, so they're trying to appeal it in the court of public opinion. And they can't put Amber out there because she's been proven to be a liar, so Elaine is doing it instead. And while everyone seems to be coming up with all these different theories, there hasn't been word yet on exactly what Amber's plan is. But regardless, we'll find out soon enough. Tell us, what do you think she has planned?